Hello and welcome to this video where I will be discussing how to set up a new DocuWare connection. First off, navigate to the Connection tab on the left side of the screen. When it has loaded, click Add New to add a new connection. Scroll down on the connection types and select the DocuWare connection type. You will need to add a connection name and your DocuWare cloud URL along with the corresponding DocuWare username and password. The Connect to Existing store should be changed to Yes if you would like to set up an external connection to a database of your choice. Note, this must be done before starting this DocuWare connection process. If the slider is left as No, a database will automatically be created and the DocuWare data will be stored there. Once all the fields have been filled in, you may click the Test button. The Add Connection button will not be pressable until a successful connection test is complete. Here is a demonstration of an unsuccessful connection. If the connection is not successful, please enter valid credentials as you will not be able to finish the Add Connection process. Once the correct credentials have been entered and the connection is successful, a list of file cabinets will be displayed, and the user may tick which file cabinets they would like to sync. Note, remember to click Save when you have checked the correct file cabinets. If no file cabinets are chosen, all available file cabinets will be synced. Finally, click Add and the process of adding a DocuWare connection is complete. Thanks for watching.